Hi all, Newbie is here. I actually met with a lot of small business owners who were aware of ChatGPT but didn't know how to use it properly. And they know that I can get some cool replies, I can get some knowledge out of the replies that ChatGPT is giving you, but it's not all. So you can have a lot of optimization problem with that. You just need to know how to use it. At the end of the video, I wanna give you like a whole knowledge base of how to use it to make your content visible and appealing for the audience. So let's start it. Here we are at the ChatGPT's landing page. Here what we should do is giving the basic facts about the thing, about your business in this case, and what is your problem that needs to be solved. It needs to understand it, okay? So even though it's an AI, and I know it sounds crazy, but we need to make it understand us. We need to make it understand our problems. What solutions do we need? So let's start with the prompt. I already created the prompt in advance, but I said you just need to explain all the facts and all the infos that you have about your business in overall, so it understands like how it should start to think and what kind of content do we need here. We just started our business, we need some recognitions out there, we need the awareness, we need the engagement around our shop, right? And that's why we want to bring traffic to our website, and for that we need a traffic Facebook campaign. So here are the facts. We need to make it understand, right? So we can ask back, do you understand? So it gives you an answer. So here is the next prompt. You are actually directing it to the action that needs to be taken. We need for an ad copy, what do we need for an ad copy? We need a primary text, which comes as a caption. We need the heading on the campaign and the description, right? So this is what we are using here. State the voice tone that it needs to use, because like whenever we are sending the facts and all, it can be a bit robotic that we don't like that much. So that's why we can say, please be aware to use voice tone Spartan casual. Yes, Spartan looks actually as well a bit robotic, but believe me, it will work. So here are our options, right? We are getting the options, and what we can do is just choose whatever we like, and yeah, that's it. London Chica's beauty spot is calling, so there will be like lot of good options to use, but please keep in mind not to go with this really basic words like unwind, unlock, you know what I mean. So like these really basic ChatGPT words, please don't go with those. These are getting boring and people are still open for personalized stuff and personalized content. So just get the idea from here and just rewrite. That's all about the ad copies. What else can we do with ChatGPT? This is not a thing that everyone is starting with, like, okay, jump into ads, right? Not everyone is starting with that. What we can do is get like website copy, right? So the first thing maybe that a small business owner start with. You just want to do it by yourself because you don't want to invest that much of money for the first run. So don't worry. So for example, here is our competitor website and we want to actually use the copy. We can just simply copy paste this and go back to our ChatGPT that we left at. And don't start. You can also open a new chat and start a completely new conversation. If you like to sort out these kind of things, you can just keep it into one chat and name it as start my business, optimize my business, or whatever, and put together everything. So once you need it again, you can just go back and see. So here what we can say, as we already had some information about the ad copies, we can just say that make a break and give me a similar content as my competitor. You actually indicate to ChatGPT that, yeah, I know that we were talking about another thing, but I wanna jump over to another kind of conversation. So first, make a break as an AI. We need to say that because it is actually indicated by a lot of sources that if you say that, ChatGPT will be more punctual by 80%. So don't forget to put this make a break expression before the sentences, and you just put the text that you copy paste and enter. And it will give you like a complete content idea, which you need to personalize. I cannot say as many times as I want, but you need to personalize the content. You get the idea, right? You can just reformulate into your own strategy, and then you will get a complete content on the website. Yes, we have the content now, but we also want to optimize for SEO a bit. It takes more time to be visible on search engines and can take up for months. But if you have a good marketing behind, like the results can be visible after 3 months, I would say. if you are doing backlinks, if you are doing off-site SEO, on-site SEO, but just to have some mercy on your future marketing team, it's good if you have the keyword, if you have the research done, and it's already incorporated into the content, then your marketing team will love you. What we can do, again, give the facts. You are saying to it that please keep in mind the content that you just created for me. So you are asking that please scan the keywords from the content and give me the basics one that is used on my competitor's page. And you are copy pasting the content from your competitor and just hit enter. So here you get like 18 keywords that is used in this content, which is a bit more. And I would say as a marketer that in this content you have maximum 3 keywords which are used. So we can just give other task for ChatGPT as a basic information. Every 100, every 150 words when a targeted keyword should come, because then we can overuse the keywords, will result in banning your website from visibility. So it's better to keep this rule. So here we can see that we get like the 3 most used keywords within that content that our competitor is using: massage, tailored, consultation. You can just copy paste these 3 keywords, head over to Keyword Planner. It's totally free to sign up. You can use these 3 keywords, see the analytics, and actually decide on the keywords that you want to use. So we have our content, as I mentioned before, of page SEO. It's not really visible for the reader, but it's important to make the search engines also understand which are your keywords that you are targeting, right? You can have like several web pages, but now I'm showing you an example with only one web page that we are working with. Again, we need the prompts, we need the facts. I went back to the example that we had at the beginning. So you are giving the fact again, what are you doing and what is the action. You are listing that you need the meta title firstly, because we will have the meta description afterward. Actually, whenever you are searching for something, these are all the titles, and what you can see here is a description, just to have the basic stuff about that. So we need a meta title for our massage service web page. These are our keywords, and we are asking ChatGPT, do you understand? Let's hit enter. It's already drafting for you the meta title, but we don't want to go with this one because we need to state a really important thing here. This is another prompt that we should use. Firstly, we just asked it to understand the facts, and now we are giving it the action itself. And it's really important, keep it between 45-65 characters. It is what is recognized by search engines, so keep it between 45-65 characters. You should make it like closer to 45 than 65. We are hitting enter. Tailored massage in London, personalized sessions and consultation. Here we can see that we have all the 3 keywords, but let's say that we want to go with only the tailored massage because it's a unique keyword. We can say here that provide again the meta title and use only 2 keywords, tailored and massage. Again, keep it between 45 and 65 characters. We hit enter. So we have the meta title. If you don't like it, you can say give me 5 options with the keywords tailored massage. Keep all the options between 45-65 characters. You hit enter and you have the 5 options. So feel free to choose whatever you want from here. And we want to have the meta description for the same thing. And again, it's doing the same, it's giving us the meta description before we even say like the characters number. So here we stated the characters. Here when it comes to the description, it's 145-160. Again, the same rule, make it rather shorter than closer to 160, but it's again depending on the situation. So here we get the meta description, but for example, you can also use tailored with consultation, tailored with massage. So from the 3 keywords, you can choose like whatever you think that is good, whatever the analytics from Keyword Planner said that is good and better to go with. And again, we can ask for the 5 options and keep the 145-160 characters. It can happen that it's not really showing you the exact number of character length that you are asking for. I would say let's open up a tab in this case and go to a platform where you can count the words. I think there is a simple one, wordcounter.com if I'm not wrong, and you can just go with the one that is coming up as a first result. So this is all about metadata, and you can do for all of the web pages that you have on your website, and this is how search engines will realize the keywords that you are targeting. Thank you that you watched my video. I hope that it helped you guys, and give your questions in the comment section so we can just go through all your questions that you have. And yeah, let's kill this ChatGPT, right guys? Follow for more, hit follow button so I will give you more advice on ChatGPT. Thank you. See you.